booster that can jump start your car, truck, or even a diesel engine in seconds. It's more than just a jump starter, it's also a power bank and flashlight, making it the ultimate emergency tool to keep in your car. Let's dive in and see why this little device packs such a big punch. The first thing you'll notice is the compact and rugged design. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and built with durability in mind. The rugged casing makes it resistant to drops, dust, and moisture, perfect for keeping in your glove box or trunk without worrying about damage. It comes with heavy-duty jumper cables attached, so everything you need is already built into the unit. Now let's talk about performance. The NOCO GB40 delivers 1000 peak amps, which means it can safely jump start engines up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel, cars, SUVs, trucks, boats, ATVs, and more. The lithium technology ensures reliable power without draining easily. And thanks to its ultra-safe design, it protects against sparks, reverse polarity, and overcharging. So even if you're not a car expert, you can use it with confidence. This isn't just a jump starter. The GB40 doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or USB devices on the go. Super handy if you're stuck without a charger. On top of that, it has a built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS and emergency strobe, making it a lifesaver during night breakdowns. One of the best things about this jump starter is how simple it is to use. Just connect the clamps, turn it on, and start your vehicle. No complicated steps, no confusion. Plus, a single charge can hold power for up to 12 months, and it provides up to 20 jump starts per charge. That means less stress about constantly recharging and more confidence that it'll be ready when you need it. This is perfect for anyone who drives, whether you're commuting daily, going on road trips, or just want peace of mind. It's also a great option for outdoor adventurers, campers, or boaters, since it's portable and works across so many engine types. So that's the NOCO Boost GB40 UltraSafe Jump Starter, compact, powerful, and reliable. With its 1000A boost power, built-in power bank, and safety features, it's a must-have for your emergency car kit. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and product reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you keep this in your car?